First, sauté your onions. Cut your onions into thin strips, add olive oil or butter into a pan on medium-low heat and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until your onions look translucent. Stir to prevent burning. Next, we're going to cook the bacon in the air fryer. While the onions cook, put the bacon in the air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Check often to make sure they're not burnt. This is what your bacon should look like. Make sure you wash and dry your lettuce, slice your tomatoes to your liking, and place onions in a bowl ready to stack on your sandwich. Next, we're going to fry the bread. This is the Trader Joe's French brioche that I like to use on a variety of recipes. It's thick and buttery and perfect for this one. Use Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, your preference. Coat one side of the bread and fry until crispy. Repeat for the remaining slices. This is what it should look like. Now we're going to cook the egg. Carefully pour your egg into a pan once the butter is bubbling on medium-low heat. Cook your egg to your liking. I'm breaking the yolk to make it easier to stack on the sandwich, but you're welcome to do it any way that you like. I'll carefully keep the egg intact and flip once the yolk starts cooking through just a little bit. You can add salt and pepper during the cooking process or after. Once it's cooked, I'll transfer it to a plate. This is my result. Now we'll assemble the sandwich. Spread your mayo on the toasted bread and top with caramelized onions. Stack your bacon, tomatoes, and lettuce for a traditional BLT. Stack as much bacon and as much veggies as you like. Now, to transform your sandwich into a breakfast belt, simply add your egg and enjoy. Some of these steps and ingredients are optional. Feel free to make this recipe your own and change it up a bit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below and stay in the loop for future recipe videos.